Hello everybody, I wanted to take you on a little tour here of the X-Star Premium I just picked up and show you how cherry it is and what came with it besides this gigantic case. It's one of the biggest drone cases I've ever seen is that thing. It's huge. Okay. Here's the unit itself, and it doesn't have a blemish on it. It's that nice. Then you got the transmitter. And the transmitter is actually very beefy. It's really heavy. You know, there's a lot to this thing, that's for sure. It has the phone holder built in. There's all your buttons down there. You can read them. Then if you flip it over, you got your little handle here, and then you got where you plug in your USB and your micro USB and stuff like that in the back. And then there's your buttons and wheels and stuff on the side, just like normal transmitters. And your antenna there. So then it came with a lanyard here, and then the prop tightening tool and removal tool. That's right there. Even had the lightning cable in there and a USB-C cable, long ones. Had a full set of props right here, an extra set. Had the set of these parabolic antennas with it. Full manual. The charger. A set of these freewheel filters. There's the plug for the charger there, and then an extra set of dampers right there. And I will say something about this charger that was kind of unique, was that it has a fan built on it. So when you plug it into the battery right there, and it's sitting on the battery, because the battery would be laying down and this would be on top plugged into it. If the battery gets warm while it's charging, it kicks this fan on and keeps all that cool. So I've actually never seen one like that. That's a first. So I never seen that before. Anyway, here's the quadcopter again. Back to that. We're going to tip it up here and show you the front. Here's the camera here. This is 4K, as it says right there. Then up here is the damper. The only thing it was missing out of the package was the gimbal lock. I could not find that in there, but you know, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm sure I could get the 3D printed one from somewhere. If you take it onto the side here, you have your micro SD port here, and then a USB port here, which I'm sure is some kind of access, so you could access the camera or access the data, you know. Then here's some kind of lock and unlock. I don't even know what that is at the moment. Right there. I don't know if you can unlock the whole, oh, you could probably unlock the whole camera thing here. So we'll keep that locked, okay? We're not unlocking that. We'll flip it over on the back, and there's the battery. So there that goes. I'm going to start it up here so you can hear it too. And then go to this side. And then over here is just, you know, your FCC data and serial numbers and all that other mumbo jumbo. But man, it's cherry, guys. I mean, this thing is cherry as it gets for a used quadcopter, you know. Yeah, it could be more cherry if it was brand new from the factory, but it's not going to get much better looking than something like this if you buy a used drone. Okay, you could obviously tell that it's never been crashed. There was a couple of scuffs on the prop, but that was probably from landing or something like that. You know, that just happens. I tipped my Phantom 3 over many times landing that thing. So, all right, let me cut this here, and I'll set the thing over here, and I'll start it up and let you hear it. That sucker makes a honking noise when it starts up. I'm gonna let it have a couple minutes to bind to itself. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm having my coffee. Okay, you want to start the motors, you just want to hold this little button right here. It says hold that to start the motors. There you go. Now you can do it manually too by turning them down and in or down and out, and that'll start them also. But there it goes. Yay. But it's quiet, it's smooth. Gimbal's nice and steady. It'll be nice and level. So it's all looking good, guys. It's all looking good. Now this is the X-Star Premium. This isn't the regular X-Star. The regular X-Star uses Wi-Fi transmission, which was the white one. But this is the Premium. This uses the Starlight transmission system. You know, where you got to plug the phone into the controller and all that. The other one, you didn't have to do that. That's why it had, this controller has the plug in the back, you know, for the USB and all that. You can plug it into your phone. So, all right, there you go. X-Star Premium looks good. We got to get this sucker out this weekend for sure and get it up in the air. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.